Ahoy there. We gotta go ahead and work on cleaning up this Toyota Camry because it deserves the very best. And we get ready to sell it. What's going on, everybody? You're watching GT Sam. I'm Sam, and we're here with this amazing, beautiful Toyota Camry from 2005 that I have. And it's dirty on the inside and outside, as you can see here from this footage, that we need to really help it out. Not too far gone, but in order to actually sell it properly, we need to make sure it's in pristine condition. And the only way to do that is having pristine results with pristine items. And what do I mean by that? Well, let me show you what we have. I think I have some stuff in the trunk that we got to show you. So let's go back there, check it out. Okay, I don't know why we're going in the trunk here. I don't know what the big deal is, but let's find out what we have here. Whoa! What is all this? Look at this stuff. Everything we ever could need for cleaning and detailing a car, right here. We have drip dry for afterwards. We have wheel wash. Oh boy, I can't wait to use that on there. Got a little rust off. Interior cleaner. I need that for this. Tire shine, glass cleaner, grease attack, car wash. Dude, the brushes and the fabric and everything like that. Dude, this is awesome. So, Salty Captain, thank you so much for helping me out with this whole kit. This is super cool. And also this musket for washing your car. How neat is this? You get like all these different modes right there. Dude, I'm so excited. Never had something like this before in my life. And you get this. Who doesn't want this for the bottom of their bucket for all the dirty water sitting in the contaminations at the bottom? Heck yeah. All right, so I think we're ready to take on this challenge of detailing this whole car, making it beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and dive right into this. You know how it is. We got to do the first things first. We got to vacuum everything out, get all the crap out of the way. So here we go. All right, everyone, you're gonna love this. Now look at all these tops they give us. So we got 5 right here. We just put them on the top of these ones that need them, and then we're ready to rock and roll. These 2 brushes here for the wheels, rough, soft. Booyah. But right now, we're going to go for the tire shine here, or wheel wash. So we're going to use that, and we'll be able to do some good old scrubbing on these. And, well, they should turn out pretty darn good. Okay, something else I really like about this product is they smell really good, but also made in the USA. How cool is that? I know they're an Australian company, but made in the USA? Hey, I like that. So we got the brush, got the spray. Let's spray, see how we do. It's supposed to attack that rust, so let's see how good it does after we just let it sit for a little while. Hey, it smells pretty good. All right, we're looking at 30 seconds. Let's see here. Let's give it a hose down here. I'll say that it is cleaner. The dust and the dirt is off. Brake dust too, but I think what we really have to do is just spray, scrub it on, get these corners out of the way. I think we can clean this up. Yeah, we cleaned it up. Okay, so we started to break it down a little bit, so that's good. All right, it needs a little more convincing, so I'm going in a little bit more. No, I kind of expect brake dust to be kind of tough to get out, so here we go. Yeah. Yeah, all right. Do you see this? Ooh, that is really good. I don't know if I've ever used a product that, cleans so well on the brake dust. It kind of lingers. Yeah, that's super clean. Let me get you close up here. Giving you that in-depth view right here. Look at that. That's clean. That was not as clean as it is now. Okay, I like that. So I think a little elbow grease right there, and then all the rest of the wheel should be perfect. All right, this is a little bit of a homebrew mixture here, just for these rugs here. So I'm gonna add this in. Just put it on right here. Twist this on. Oh, whoa. Do you see that? That's how that works, dude. That is so cool. Let's go ahead. Cracking. There we go. Let's go ahead and engage soap mode. This is so cool. Oh yeah. All right, everybody, so it's time for the main event. We got our bucket. We have our new microfiber mitten. Love that. And time to put the most favorite thing in the bottom of this. Yep, the dirt catcher or separator, as you could say. Put it right back here. Boom, ready to go. Here's our rinse bucket. This is the washer. So we did have everything in here. Now no more. We're gonna go ahead, Get rid of that. Then we're gonna go ahead and fill it with our soap. So we got it right here, automotive car wash. Simple and simple. Anti-rust corrosion inhibiting formula. Sweet. So that's right about right there. And it smells like soap. Let's foam this car. So crazy enough, we want to use this drip dry applicator. We got to apply it now to the car while it's wet. So we need to put it on the whole car in our musket, and then we fill it all the way to the top, 90 milliliters. So let's go ahead and start doing that. There we go, 90 milliliters. All right, let's get shooting. So yeah, we should just be able to put it on, rinse, and then dry. So here we go. Well, this should make quick work of everything. Let's get to drying. Oh boy, I like this. Dang, that's nice. Good news, this just dried the whole car. It still could probably go for a little bit more. All right, we're ready for our interior cleaning. So we have the detail interior cleaner right here. So spray, wipe, clean, put on the cloth, and put it directly onto the surface, and we go. It smells pretty good too. So I'm just gonna see how this does. Should be able to apply it on pretty much anything. So we got the leather here. I'm gonna try it on carpet too. Right here we have the shift knob, and I've been using it pretty good lately. And it's probably a little bit grimy, hasn't really been cleaned. So we're gonna really get this good and soaked here. Make sure we cover this. All right, make sure we don't go too far here. Let's get a brush in action here. Gotta coat this in some nice leather conditioner. We'll be all right. Glass cleaning time here. I don't think there's anything too crazy, but we're about to find out here. So I'm gonna spray right on. You know, I think that actually is streak free. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Just for fun, went ahead and used some interior cleaner on here with a brush. Wow, boom, that's vibrant. That's intense. There's like nothing left here. There's nothing. It's like too clean. Then I did on top of here, vibrant as well. I helped myself, I sprayed some on top of here, clean this up here, dark grungy. This is dark and grungy for sure. Power steering, little reservoir here. I'm just curious to see how this does. I mean, we could already see some crazy results. There's some up here too. I'm gonna scrub that in, move that out of the way. Ready to see? Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, the results speak for themselves. That is like too good. Way too good. Alright, I think they mislabeled this. That should be like industrial cleaner. Oh boy, it'll clean the interior, boy. It'll clean under the hood too. I have a degreaser for this too. I don't even need to use that. Jeez. Alright everyone, I don't want to leave you out here in this one, the grease attack. We're going to try some of this. You can dilute it a lot, but we're just going to try right on the below the valve covers here. When I replaced the valve cover gasket on this, there was a ton of grease and oil left over, so we're going to see how it does. Okay, just going to go ahead and brush back in here because it's definitely grease. And go it off. Has a nice orangey smell, biodegradable, very nice. If I do declare, wow, look at that right in there. Good stuff. A little brush action, a little degreasing, good to go. All right. We're in here cleaning the beautiful Toyota once again. So I went in here and did some steam cleaning. We have a special mixture right here, simple green, vinegar, water, rubbing alcohol. It's a good mix and pretty healthy for the environment. So we're working on some stainage on the driver's side right now. I think it's gonna come out really good. So it's not as bad as my Honda Pilot, but hey, still got a lot to do here. All right, this side's a little bit worse. I'm trying to figure out what this all is. It can't all be like soda spill. I think it's some kind of rust or something that may have come from like the seats and like salt water or something like that. Not that it was in a flood, but like if you're living in that kind of environment or something like that. I don't know, just guessing. But as we go, we already got everything soaking. I think we're getting some good results out of this. So, engage deep cleaning. Solid stuff. Yeah, I can see where I was because I was scrubbing and everything like that. But hey, this is pretty good, except I can't get down there. But hey, looking all right. I think that was much better. We got some great results here. Yo, I found the mother lode. Oh boy, I'm popping this baby on one of my cars. All right, dry tire and clean. Let's go ahead. Tire shine it up. So we're gonna go ahead and apply it right onto the tire here. And then we're gonna rub it in with the tire applicator. Real simple, real nice, real easy. I'm just gonna spread it around here. Yeah, that should have some nice shines to everything. Should be real good. It's nice, yeah, kind of gets in all those crevices right over here. Don't spray it on the rim because then it's just gonna go all over the place and just like stick dirt to probably the rim. So yeah, just keep it on the tire here. You'll be all set. Special treat for everybody who we're cleaning up these headlamps. Just, it's, woohoo. That is foggy. They work good surprisingly still, but oh boy, just think how much better they're gonna look then once we're done. As you can see, making some great progress here. This is very clean, but then we still have over here, after the sanding and from the two pads I had, we still have a lot of haze. Kind of see it down here too. But what we're doing is a really, really light compound scratch remover here on that. That's gonna, it's just like really reviving it a lot here. So we're gonna then use some rubbing alcohol, clean this whole thing up with a thermal residue, and then we're gonna clear coat it for lasting long-term protection. Holy cow, look at those headlights. Those turned out supreme. I got a good layer of clear coat on those. Those ain't going nowhere for a long time. And the fog lights, yep, we're ready to rock and roll in those too. I'll tell you what, a job like that could have been long and tedious, but not for the salty captain. No barnacles here. But this vehicle really shined up really well. I'm very impressed with it and the products that I got here. This towel, pretty awesome because it dried out the whole car in no time. And all the products that we have here, made in the USA. How could I go wrong with that, really? I love this car. It's quite the cream puff, and it really turned out really nice. And I'm really happy about it because it's going to be going to a great person who really needs this car, and I think they're going to do really well with it. It's going to serve them for a very long time. So I'm happy with the results to give them such a beautiful, cleaned up car. And thanks to the Salty Captain once again for making that possible. So guys, what do you think of today's video? If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up right there, and make sure you subscribe down below for more content quite like this and much more. If you want a shirt quite like this, has some awesome stuff on the back too, and go ahead, check my links down in below. And if you want to get a kit like this for yourself too, head on to the link down below listed here. And also, you get to use the coupon code GTSAM15 for 15% off your purchase as well for this whole kit. It comes with everything you need as seen in the video. Now, if you guys want to have any comments or questions about anything, go ahead and listen down below. I'd love to talk to you about it and anything you might have to say also too. Now guys, thank you once again so much for watching today's video. This is GT Sam, and I'm going to catch you next time.